come very crazy, keep the thing in the UK. That's how we do it at Jamaica. Anywhere we go, I look for it. But you're running an iron eye. That's what I hear come up. That's how we do it at Jamaica. Watch out, that. Watch out. And then we go, I'm not the best. What I say? What are you doing? What are you doing? Look, when I say, my mother and I roll. Yeah. I do go to the world, I'm ready. You see it? That's how we do it. Right above McLeod, England, rock. What are you there? I build them up. Here. I tell me, $1 billion, $1 pound. I give it to the youth there. With a fire boy, there, yes sir, right in my hand, that judge of my son. Watch out. A bomber clad. You're a brother, you're a brother. Who are Jamaica? Who are Miami? Who are New York? She brought that son.